Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stella Simbi, and if you're new, you're welcome, and please subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, but thank you so much for coming back. You are the best. So in today's video guys, I'm going to show you how I fixed this overplucked frontal guys. So the owner of this wig brought this wig and she wanted it the same day she brought it guys. So you know, filming and working takes a lot of time, so I had to film the part that I had to film guys for you guys. I couldn't film like everything for you. I just filmed the important parts guys because I didn't have time, so I had to show you some parts. Yeah, so this is what it looked like. It was overplucked. As you can see, this wig is still new. It has not been worn before guys, so the only problem was it was overplucked. So I'm going to remove some hair right here at the back that I'm going to be using to fill in the front. So I'm just going to cut off some hair or on the left that are at the back guys. So just pull out the short hairs, and then I'm going to be using this long hair to ventilate the front. So I've already fixed half of it off camera guys. As you can see, it's different from the other side, and I also extended the hairline just a little bit. So I'm going to show you how I fixed that both part right there at the top. Yeah, so I'm just going to start off by sectioning the part that I want to add more hair. As you can see, the back is full. The only problem is the front. So at the back, I'm going to extend the pattern that was used at the back, and then at the front I'm just going to ventilate, spacing it out to get the natural look. So right here I'm just going to follow the pattern that was used to ventilate right here at the back guys, this slanted pattern. I'm just going to continue to use the same pattern, and if you want like a detailed tutorial on the pattern that I'm using right here, I'm going to pin a tutorial in the comment section where I use the same pattern to ventilate a closure wig. Yeah, so I'm just going to continue to fill in the both space using the same pattern that was used by the manufacturer to ventilate this frontal guys. And as I go to the front, I'm going to extend the hairline, and I'm also going to ventilate, spacing it out. So right here at the back, I'm picking two strands of hair, the same strands of hair that was used by the manufacturer guys. So if you have the same problem, just use the same pattern that was used to ventilate the frontal when it was ventilated the first time, and then at the front you can customize it to how you want it to look at the end guys. If you want a more natural look, you can do that. You can just customize it to how you want it to look. Yeah, so I'm just going to continue. Like I said before, I didn't have much time guys. This wig was wanted the same day it was brought to me to fix it, so I tried to film the parts that I could for you guys. If you don't understand, do say in the comment section, but I just tried to film where I could guys. I couldn't just do this and not film it. No, I had to show you guys how to fix it, just in case you have the same problem. So yeah, I'm just going to continue to ventilate the part that does not have hair. The ones that have hair, I'm going to skip those and ventilate the one that doesn't have hair. Picking two strands of hair right here at the back, and at the front I will be picking only one strand because she wanted a natural look. When she tried to pluck the hair, she wanted a natural look. So the natural look that she wanted is the one that I'm going to ventilate at the front without plucking the wig guys. That's why I always say you have to know how to ventilate so that you can customize your wig to however way you want. Whilst plucking, the result is not always good. So if you know how to ventilate, you can always ventilate the way that you want your frontal to look like at the end. You can always customize your frontal to how you want it to look at the end. And if you want a detailed tutorial on how to make a frontal, like from start, cutting the lace, drawing the hairline, ventilation, everything, I'm also going to link a tutorial in the description. You can see a link that says frontal ventilation playlist. I have 4 different frontals that I ventilated, and you can check out to see which one you want, which pattern you love, which spacing you love. So I'm going to link that playlist in the description so that you can go and check it out, just in case you want to know how to ventilate the frontal from scratch. Yeah, so I'm just going to continue, and I will talk when necessary.
The way you look me in the eyes, and I keep you in my heart, and my heart is where you are. I still think of you, I want you coming back. Call me when you want, baby, I can take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah. Give me photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring at a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart.
Right here at the front, guys, I'm just going to ventilate, spacing it out to get a natural look. So I'm not following any patterns right here at the front. I'm just ventilating where I see needs here, guys. I'm just customizing it to how she wanted it to look. Yeah, so I'm picking only one strand of hair right here at the front, guys. Yeah, so only one strand of hair. I extended the hairline and I also shaped it, guys. I couldn't show you everything. Like I said, I didn't have much time because I had limited time to do this, and also filming takes time. Yeah, so I just try to ventilate just some small parts to show you guys. But if you want a detailed tutorial, like I said, I'm going to link a playlist, a frontal playlist in the description. So just continue picking one strand of hair, spacing it out to get a natural look, guys, to get a natural look. Yeah, so I'm just going to continue, and when everything is done, you have your frontal as good as new, guys, as good as new. This frontal have not been worn before. As you can see, the lace right here at the front is still there. Yeah, it just needed to be fixed, that problem that it had of overplucking. Yeah, so that is what I did, guys. Yeah, so do let me know in the comment section what you think about this. Do you have the same problem? Let me know in the comment section down below. Yeah, so this is the final look, guys. This is how it's looking like. Yeah, guys, if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel and join the family. And if you're already subscribed, thanks so much for coming back. You are the best. I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Goodbye. Thank you for watching.